Hello, Seattle! We've arrived for the President's Cruise on Celebrity Solstice to the beautiful Alaska. But let's see if we met the President. You are about to find out. We are here at the port. Solstice right there. We're gonna drop out the luggages, the big ones. And let's get ready. Ovation of the Seas right next to us. It's embarkation time.
Right here, ovation. Where are you guys going?
Let's go! As we're getting ready to go on the Solstice, and you saw the sign previously, it's a President's Cruise! But are we going to see Joe here?
No, I don't think it's that one.
Oh, that's not the
Not
president.
that president.
Oh, yeah. What president then?
It's the president of
Celebrity Cruises.
Yes.
The new president and CEO is going to be on board of the Solstice, and her name is Laura Hodges Bethge, and we're so excited to see her and some incredible special guests.
Yes.
We are on board Solstice.
Hello, welcome aboard.
Let's sanitize.
Sanitizer.
Right. Hey. We're heading straight to the muster drill, so after that we are ready to show our room for you guys. We just got to our room. Let's get the card and check it out. Let's begin our room tour of 9156 here on Solstice. Right here behind the door first, it shows where the muster jury station is for you if you're in this cabin. Take a look at the bathroom first. Same as on the Equinox, about the same size, with the same products in the shower: shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner, which I love. Lots of compartments and big bed. It's actually kind of the same size of our balcony previously, minus the balcony. So it's a pretty big interior room. And we got the closet here, little umbrella, and a tote bag in case you want to take on excursions. Laundry bag if you're elite, to get a free laundry bag. The safe is right here. On this side we got the robes and more hangers. This compartment above the bed, that is awesome to put all your clothes and stuff. There are no charging stations next to the bed. And here are the lights that I never know how to turn them on. Oh, in the bottom right here. On the other side of the bed, another compartment, the light and the telephone. And again, no charging stations next to the bed because it's an older ship, so that's how it used to be. Now they put charging stations everywhere. The only place to charge your devices is here, and got some water, a drawer, TV. We already did the muster drill. Big compartment here. I don't know what it's for. It should have a coffee machine or something. And the mini fridge. Things inside the mini fridge are not included. And lots of drawers. You get a drawer, you get a drawer. hair dryer, and about the same size drawers all the way down. If you are in this room as 3 people, the third person will sleep here on the couch. The couch does not turn into a bed like pulling or something. It's just the way it is. And that's it. Pretty quick, pretty simple, pretty easy. Easy breezy, cover girl. Now let's go. What are we gonna do now, Rob?
We're gonna eat.
Oh, yes.
Deck 14.
I'm hungry. Ooh, let's try the bed first, because you're sitting on it, but you didn't lay on it. So we gotta do that. We gotta do our famous jump.
Don't push me.
Okay, I won't. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, how are you gonna do it? You're just gonna.
I'm just gonna go.
Okay,
Ready?
3, 2, 1, let's go. All right.
Oh, much better than the hotel bed.
Yeah, and it's bigger, so I love it. I kind of like the texture of the sheets as well. Celebrity. Now let's go eat. Catch you later.
Yes.
Thank you. Can I have a quick orientation with you?
Sure, absolutely. That'd be great.
Thank you. Did you go to your master station already?
We did.
Oh, that's great. Maybe you forget. It's written here.
Yes.
5A1.
Yes.
And watch your step when you go in the toilet because the threshold is too high. And we have this save the waves. If you wish to change your towel, just put it in the floor. And if you don't want, just hang it.
Okay.
And I place extra tissues in the cabinet. And in the wardrobe, we have the 2 bathrobe, tote bag. You can use that tote bag and umbrella.
What's her name again?
Christy.
Christy, where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Awesome. Great to meet you.
Yes, and you've been already in Philippines?
No,
No.
but we have friends from there.
Oh, try to go in the Philippines.
We will.
It's very nice. In
We will do
I
it.
know. Especially if we go in Palawan. This beach is very nice. It's clear.
I heard of it.
Yeah. And I'll continue. Life jacket is under the bed in
Okay.
case of emergency. And the mini bar is not included in your package if you have a bar package. So it's different. The private bar will charge you. And we have the room service.
Okay.
And I'm doing 2-time service. 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening.
Okay.
So I start at 8 o'clock until 1. And I come back at 6 until 9.
All right.
Perfect.
And you have a complimentary, because you are elite, you are have a complimentary laundry. The last day drop off is Skagway. Okay?
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. And see you later.
Thank you.
I'll get your bin later because it's in a big luggage, so we're ready to be delivered.
No,
I
I've
will
got it for
bring your
you.
luggage for you.
All right,
Okay?
thank you.
Pleasure.
Now we're heading to the Ocean View Cafe to grab some lunch. Still here in Seattle. And right after that, we're gonna check out the COA party and start our adventure. Ship is very similar to the Equinox. I just found the perfect dessert here. This is so good. It goes awesome with coffee. My God, this feeling inside, it's delicious. Tastes like dulce de leche. Love, love, love. It's gonna be my favorite dessert here with coffee. God, Rob, look, it's Captain Kate. Oh my. We're here in the back of the Ocean View Cafe. Oh, look over there. Our our balcony on the Equinox. Yeah, right there by the blue.
Hey everyone, Laura Hodges, Bethge here, President of Celebrity Cruises, on board the beautiful Celebrity Solstice for the 2023 President's Cruise with my friend, Captain Kate.
And we're headed up to Alaska for a lot of adventures, so follow us along on our social channels.
Stay tuned.
Heading here to the view. Very special event. Hey. Here at the very front of the ship.
Like seriously, I'm like, I can't see this
There's the bridge. That's Seattle. We're getting ready to leave now.
It's a Joan, not a June.
Go get champagne for us, Rob. Yes, thank you. And cheers to another adventure here in Alaska on the Celebrity Solstice.
So excited. Can't wait to meet President of Celebrity Cruise Line, Laura. She's actually going down the stairs right now, but she'll be right back. So we hope to get her on our channel here in just a few minutes.
Yes,
Stay tuned.
gonna try to talk to her. Anyway, here and we got Captain Kate right over there talking to the piece. And we have President and CEO of Celebrity here, Laura, Hodges, Bethge. And we're just waiting for some pictures of them.
Look who we have.
Yes, President and CEO of Celebrity Cruises here, Laura. And we just want to thank you so much for the, celebrities being so amazing towards like inclusivity, like being so inclusive towards like the LGBTQIA.
We are for everyone. That's all I can say. We are absolutely for everyone. We want everyone to come visit us.
Yes.
It's that simple.
Amen.
Can you guys put the water packs to sell on the cabins, please? It's like, yes, I drink a lot of water during the cruises, and like the only thing that I like missing on Celebrity is that.
All right.
So,
It's good feedback.
yes,
All right.
thank you. Thank you so much for meeting you, Laura.
Meet you guys.
Nice
Thank you.
meeting you.
Bye.
It feels like this first day here at Celebrity Solstice is already a big success, especially after this exclusive event that we went at the bow of the ship at the View with all the celebrity officers, where we met the new president and CEO of Celebrity, Laura Hodges Bethge. And guess who was there as well?
Oh, it was Captain Kate.
Captain Kate, our lovely Captain Kate.
We love you.
And talking about lovely, Vivian.
Vivian.
Oh my God, we just met Vivian as well. She is the manager of the loyalty program. Yes, oh my God, she is the nicest person. Such an
Also
amazing.
ran into Kristen, which is the YouTube manager for
The YouTube channel of Celebrity.
So make sure you guys like.
Oh my God.
Like and share and subscribe to Celebrity Cruise Line.
Such an amazing experience so far.
It feels like I'm having a deja vu because it looks just like the Equinox, except that we're headed to Alaska.
And this is the President's Cruise. Don't forget to like, share, leave your comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Keep your eyes to our upcoming vlogs in a beautiful Alaska. Till next time.